Decision-making has always been a daily challenge for executives to handle, as they can no longer depend on rules of thumb, gut instincts, or conventional business tools for handling the multitude alternatives, uncertainties, and contingencies that characterize everyday's complex business decisions. Decisions must be totally transparent to all stockholders and clearly based on numbers, facts, and reports. By using the right system and constructing the decision process, you eliminate office politics and your decision becomes quicker, backed up by numbers, and easier to explain. Decisions must always be followed by a control and evaluation system, as well as feedback reports from those who are affected by the decision, to make sure that the company's vision is implanted. Demains is a software created to help any decision maker. Demains can be used on mobiles, tablets, and laptops. Demains Decision Makers Inclusive Solution is a group of easy-to-use modules that help executives to take the right decision on time. News. The decision maker can easily browse everything written about the organization and the institutes under its umbrella, and has the ability to add a remark about each piece of news in the to-do list. Subordinates network management, a briefed career profile, and a link to download the CV of each subordinate. The projects and tasks the subordinate is involved in during the week, and the ability to navigate through the past weeks. Tasks enables each manager in the network to assign tasks to his subordinates, write the task's description, and specify the start and delivery dates. Also enables each manager to view other tasks assigned to his employees, as well as those who assigned it and their status. Besides, each manager can view the status edit history of each task and the comments on it. In addition, each manager can check reports about the progress of each task and get a report about the percentage of all tasks completion by month and by employee. KPIs. Each decision maker in the network will add the KPIs of his or her subordinates, and it's viewable by the subordinates, who would be able to report the progress and add comments. Reports and charts to show the status and progress of each KPI. Tenders. View current tenders and download relevant documents and details. View the bids of different companies. View comparison of bids submitted to each tender. View reports about the awarded companies, like the number of times they got awarded and total value of awards. Projects and initiatives. Decision makers can browse and follow up projects and initiative progress per institution or department and do the following: add, edit, and view the goals of each project, depending on the role and the granted privilege. Add, edit, and view the assigned employees working on this project and their KPIs responsibilities. View reports and charts representing the progress of each project. View reports about similar past projects. View reports about the percentage of accomplished projects compared to unfinished or total projects, average value of fund for each company, total fund granted by certain institution or department, number of companies that have been funded during certain programs, names of the companies, their profiles, and the number of programs and times each company joined successfully. Events calendar. Decision makers can view their own events calendar, view calendars of all departments, open events pages, view the description and schedule, and join it if interested, accept or reject invitations from any department. The events they join are marked automatically on their calendar. Write feedback and comments about the events and send them to the organizer. View events reports like number of attendees and results. Dashboard. briefed collective reports and infographics that will be updated and displayed instantaneously, like comparing different projects and initiatives. Part of the displayed data will be the names and links to profiles of the key persons in charge. The ability to write commands and take actions accordingly, like setting a meeting to discuss the report with the key person in charge. Industry and market figures and insights. International figures and insights about the industry and market, categorized by country and field. Egyptian figures and insights about the ICT industry, categorized by field, like number of ADSL users. The ability to compare metrics,